Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to prevent crispy treats from getting hard. Don't overcook the marshmallows. Once they are just melted, remove them from the heat immediately. Don't overstir the mixture once you've added the cereal. Make sure you don't press the mixture into the pan too densely. Store them properly and airtight. The 1st of August 2018.
Take our lead.
Rice Krispies contain rice, sugar, salt, malt flavoring, iron, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, alpha-tocopherol acetate, vitamin E, niacinamide, vitamin A palmitate, pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin B6, riboflavin, vitamin B2, thiamine hydrochloride, vitamin B1, folic acid, vitamin B12, as cyanobalamin, and vitamin D.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Want to know the secret? Grease your spoon or spatula before combining the melted ingredients with the cereal so the mixture doesn't stick. Then, use a piece of waxed paper to press the mixture into the pan evenly with your hand so it doesn't adhere to the wooden spoon or spatula.
Make your mark, take our lead.
My treats have a soggy, stale texture. This is most likely due to too much butter. I've tried a few variations that use more butter and I often end up with this weird soggy, stale texture. Next time try reducing the amount you are using and see if that helps. 12 June 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Surprisingly, a slice of bread works great to make your Rice Krispie Treats soft again. If you just have a couple of Rice Krispie Treats to soften, then place them along with a slice of bread into a Ziploc bag and let them sit overnight. 16 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.